What's up guys, today we'll be installing an aftermarket radio in a 2003 Acura RSX base model. It shouldn't be too hard, it's really easy. Let's get to it. So you'll need a trim removal tool. So first we're going to pry this trim right here. You're going to use the trim removal tool and just pry it open. It shouldn't be too hard. Make sure you don't break any clips. So there will be two screws down here. One will be here, one will be right here. And you remove those screws.
Crap. Trying to get a better look.
There'll be one right here and one on this side. Once you remove the screw, just push this out and do this.
Okay.
Push this out from the back and this should pop right out. There you go. So this is the harness you guys will need, because if you want to install aftermarket radio, you'll need a harness, or else you'll have to cut this off. And you know, if you ever sell the car, it's not good to cut the wires off. So make sure you get a harness. I'll leave a link in the description below. I got this from Best Buy. So this plugs right into your factory harness, and all these wires right here will wire into your radio wire. And I'll show you which wire goes where in a few minutes. Okay. So as you guys can see, the harness fits perfectly. If you have a Bose system, this will not work because it'll be different harness. So make sure, the best way to do is look on Crutchfield and see what harness goes for your car. If it's different harness, then this will not work, because this is just a base model RSX. So this should work, and we're about to find out. We're gonna wire this to the new radio and then plug this in like this and start the car, and hopefully good things.
Should give you an extra 20 to 30 horsepower.
Yeah, true. So guys, here's the radio. We end up using the same trim the car came with, and the bracket. Make sure you have this bracket, or else you'll be struggling real. Yeah, so as you can see, the bracket's already attached to the original trim, and you just try to figure out which hole to put the screws in, make sure it's good enough. Only bad thing is you'll have this gap right here, over here, but my cousin doesn't care, and me personally, I don't care. As long as I have a fancy radio that plays better music than the stock one, it's all good. And then here's the harness. You guys can see all the colors should match. The yellow is your constant power, red is your positive, black is the negative. The blue and white stripes and the blue, they're both factory amp turn-ons, so you need to connect those. This one is illumination right here, the yellow, not yellow, the orange white. This one came with it, but we tried it and nothing worked, so we just left it unplugged or unconnected, whatever you call it. Then all the other colors, the purple, black, green, black, gray, black, white, black, they're all speaker wires, so everything should wire together, like all the colors. It's not that hard. So once you do that, this will go to your radio back here. And then this end will go to your harness in the radio, not the radio, the car. And there should be a microphone connection too if you have Bluetooth. As you guys can see, the wires connected here, and then here's the harness. You plug it in here, and then this is the antenna cable. It will go on here on this side. Where is it? There it is. Then this cable right here is your emergency button cable, which is for this. Go in here. So make sure you plug everything in. Make sure you check the radio before you put everything back together. We're about to find out if it works or not. Okay guys, let's see if this works. It is powering on. You go ahead and set up your stuff. Once you do that, let's see if everything works. As you guys can see, everything works. All the speaker, everything works. I definitely recommend getting a new radio, guys, because it sounds much nicer now. Way better. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, there's still gaps around here, but it's much cheaper than, you know, getting a dash kit, which was like almost 30 bucks. And we put our microphone right here. Everything looks perfect, it works right, and my cousin is very happy with it. And this radio is much better. Your bass will be way better than it was before, so I would definitely recommend upgrading your speaker. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like anything, if you have a question or anything, just leave a comment below and leave a like if it helped you. Please subscribe if you can, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next one.